Alright, this is How It Travels with Chris. We are here at Sticks and Stones and Stuff. We're right here on 430. You see down there. And this is also 39. There's their sign. Got the flowers. Got all sorts. Show you some here. Like Shasta daisies and stuff here, I believe. Their annuals, 4.5 annuals are $4.75 each. I guess depending on the kind. The hydrangeas for $22. Got the sweet potato vine. I go this way. So you can see there's part full sun. Okay. These are ones for sun. Okay. Trying to find some for our barrel in the backyard. I go up and down the rows here. And see what all they got. Since I'm in here by myself, got petunias, $5.75. Calla lilies. Go back down the middle and I'll show you up top here a little bit. Our hanging baskets. What we got on this side. They got $2.50 a pack or $20 a flat. And these over here. I'd like to get maybe some snapdragons, but I don't know if they have. Snapdragon. Okay. Let's see. I got this covered area here. Something in my eye too. Try to show both sides. Oh wow, look how big that bloom is. Wow. Alrighty. On this side, even though I have it all the way out so you can see both. I love this flower. It's purple. It's purple, yeah. Beautiful. coleus. Some more stuff here. Echinacea there. These are impatiens. Got pinks, got purples, got orange, got white, got a orange and white, got a red and white. Some more hanging baskets. I should have brought my hat, but oh well. We don't have as much in here yet, but they will get some. They usually have vegetables. Some sunflowers. That's what I usually do. Some wandering Jew. Some more succulents, ferns, and such. We got vegetable things right here. Probably more like peppers and stuff like that. Yeah, sweet banana, peppers. And these are tomatoes. I already have tomatoes on them. More bigger tomatoes. And these are squash. There's one of the owners right there. Alright, here's what they got up front. They got some trellises. Got straw flower. Pretty. I saw that one of those online this morning. Got ferns. And let's see. Show you the sign. The traffic go by. Got the Illinois/Cook up there. Got the 7-Eleven there at the corner, where it's just down this, a couple houses down, and you'll see it. And up there is the Lucas Road, I believe, and you get to 71 from there. I'm not sure the exact, address, but you'll find it. All right, have a great day.